Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my May 2022 IPSY Glam Bag unbagging. So this is a $13 a month small little beauty subscription. This is the beauty subscription that I've been getting the longest out of all of my beauty subscriptions. I also get the other IPSY Glam Bag. So this month it's the Glam Bag X, which that unboxing is already up here on my YouTube channel. And then I also get both BoxyCharm boxes. So this month I believe it's the BoxyCharm base box and then the BoxyCharm premium. And I just love subscription boxes of all sorts. So I have a lot of that content here on my YouTube channel, so I would love for you to subscribe if you like to see unboxings. Also, if you like to see makeup reviews, I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I do full detailed review videos on all of the makeup products that I get in all of these subscriptions. But so let's check out what I got in this bag. The IPSY Glam Bags are one of my favorite types of unboxings because they're all different, because they're supposed to be curated to your personal taste. And my personal taste is that I love this makeup bag. I actually got the makeup bag that is the theme of this month. Last month I didn't get the makeup bag associated with the theme of the month, which is weird, but this one is adorable. I love the flowers. I love the color. It's like a faux leather and it's this fun shape. Let's see if all of my products fit in here. I've got just the product, yes, information card here. It has product details, so I'm going to try and not look at that so that I'm surprised at what's actually in here. Ooh. Right on top here is Pink Lips Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Dream. So one of my favorite things about these beauty subscriptions is learning about new makeup brands, and I am not familiar with the brand Pink Lips, but I love the sound of it because I love the color pink and I love lip products, and tinted lip balms are one of my favorites because I tend to get very dry lips and I love to moisturize my lips but also add color. So this Pink Lips Cosmetics Lumi Balm Lip Tint in the shade Dream is full size. It retails for $12. That is so right up my alley. So the first product is a perfect match to my tastes. Next up, this is from the brand Kinship, which sounds familiar, but I feel like I've not tried out very many products from this brand. It's the Self-Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen, Zinc Oxide Broad Spectrum SPF 32, clean, vegan, cruelty-free, dermatologist tested. This must be a sample size because this is a tiny little tube of sunscreen. With how much sunscreen you're supposed to actually use, this could literally be a day's worth of sunscreen if you're spending the day in the sun. But I am such an advocate for sunscreen and I love trying out different sunscreens. I wear a sunscreen every day, so I am very excited to get that. I don't usually get sunscreens in IPSY, and that's a product that I would be happy to get plenty of. So this Kinship Self-Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen Zinc Oxide Broad Spectrum SPF 32. Such a long title. This is a sample. The full size retails for $26. So this will be a good product that I can try out in my skincare routine and then talk about it in my monthly empties video. Although it's almost become bi-monthly or like every other month because I haven't been using up very many products lately, but that's where I can update you on the skincare, hair care, self-care types of products that I use up and that I've been able to fully develop my reviews on and my experience with because I've completely used them up. So stay tuned because I think at the end of May I will have empties to share and this will probably be in there and I can let you know what I think of it. Next we've got, this is one of my favorite brands, and this is a brand that does great sun care with their makeup, and it's Pure Lease. This is the Perfect Glow BB Concealer. I am obsessed with the Purelisse BB and CC creams. They have high SPF. They look so natural on the skin, yet give great coverage, which is exactly what I look for in my foundation type products. And when I saw that they had a concealer, I was so excited. This is the product that I chose with my IPSY GLAM bag because you get to choose one product. And I'm so excited to try this out because I've just had such great success with all of the Purelisse products that I've tried out, and I've literally tried out all of them. I think, you know, blushes, primers, anything that I can get my hands on from Purelisse, I try out and I want to try out. So this is a deluxe sample. Ooh, the full size retails for $28, which for a really good concealer, I am willing to spend $28 on it. Next, I've got, I don't think I recognize this brand, the New Co. Topical Microbiome Repair the Skin Barrier Topical Skin Supplement Barrier Culture Cleanser. So, a cleanser is not a type of product that I'm super excited to get. I much prefer makeup or a type of skincare product that I don't already have so many of. And when it comes to cleansers, I've told IPSY that I don't want cleansers. I've put that in my product reviews, in my quiz. So I get frustrated when I see types of products that I've told IPSY that I don't want, and cleansers, it's definitely on there. So this is a simple, ultra gentle, yet effective face wash. It's soap free and sulfate free. Removes dirt, pollution, makeup, helps fortify your skin barrier with a blend of prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. So I guess it is kind of nice to get these little sample size cleansers because they're great for travel. So since this is so gentle, it does sound like one I would put in my travel bag because I have to be careful if I'm bringing a new skincare product on a trip with me, because what if I react badly to it? But this one, I think I will put with my travel products. The full size of this retails for $42. So to me, this is a pretty high-end skincare brand. And then, oh yeah, this is my fifth product. Oh, I love this brand, Kenzie. Sun-Kissed Beauty. Kenzie makes such fantastic fragrances, and I actually had a fragrance set from a scent that I loved, and they had a great lotion and other different types of perfumes, and I love it. I love to get perfumes in my beauty subscription boxes. I love changing up my scents. I don't have any perfume on today, so let's try this out. Ooh, I love that this is called Sun-Kissed Beauty, so it's like gonna maybe give me some summer vibes. Oh my gosh. This smells so amazing. Oh my gosh. It definitely kind of reminds me of another perfume, but I can't quite pinpoint it. But it's very floral, which I love. I love sweet floral fragrances. Oh, it's amazing. So it says top notes, green apple, mandarin, lemon zest. Oh, none of those are flowers, but that's, I get a lot of flower. Mid notes, plum, bergamot, tonka bean. Don't know what that is. Base notes, orange blossom, patchouli, sun-kissed driftwood. Oh, it smells so lovely, but I wouldn't really describe this as like sun-kissed, summery, anything like that. To me, this could be a year-round classic perfume. Gosh, that is amazing. See, I literally cannot stop smelling it. I love it. So this is a sample. The full size retails for $68, which for a fragrance, I guess is kind of reasonable. And I'm glad that I can try this out, see how it lasts, how it works throughout the day, what kind of reactions I get from it, and maybe decide to purchase the full size. Because, oh my gosh, I love it. I love that. Wow, this is an awesome box this month, or a glam bag, not a box, but bag this month. I'm very excited about the products. The only one that I'm like not crazy about is the new Co cleanser, because I'd rather like a makeup-y type of product, but the rest I'm so excited about. So the other ones that I got, just as a little recap, we got the Kenzie fragrance, the Kinship sunscreen, the Purely's BB concealer, and the Pink Lips tinted lip balm. The only thing is, it says I'm supposed to get $50 plus of value. The only full-size product I got is the lip balm, which is $12. So I don't think the other 4 samples would be $38 or more of value. So I'm just not seeing the $50 value that IPSY is claiming, and it's been that way for months. Like, I don't think I've ever really seen that value in my IPSY Glam Bag, but I paid $13 for it, and I do see $13 worth of value, and I'm excited to use these products. So I'm really happy with this month. I'm not always so happy with my IPSY Glam Bag for the month, and I feel encouraged to continue getting it. But in the comments down below, I would love to hear what you got in your bag this month, and if you've tried any of these products, let me know what you think of them. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.